ಹಾಯ್ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ, ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ನನ್ನ ಈ ಒಂದು ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ, ಹಿಂದಿನ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು Gpstr ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ಸ್ SSLC ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ ವೈಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ಭಾಗ 2 ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಸೊ ಇದೀಗ ಈ ಒಂದು ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಭಾಗ 3 ಅಂದರೆ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿಯ ಪ್ರಶ್ನಾವಳಿಗಳ ಒಂದು ವಿಡಿಯೋವನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರುವಂತೆ ಇದು ಕಟ್ಟಕಡೆಯ ಭಾಗ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಪ್ರಶ್ನಾವಳಿಗಳ ಭಾಗ. ನಂತರದಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ ವೈಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ವೈಸು SSLC ಪ್ಯಾಟ್ರನ್ ಅಥವಾ SSLC ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ ವೈಸು ನಿಮಗೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ಗಳು ಲಭ್ಯ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಮುಂದಿನ ಒಂದು ದಿನಗಳಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಈ ಒಂದು ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಇದೇ ರೀತಿ ಇರಲಿ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ತಡ ಮಾಡೋದು ಬೇಡ, ಬನ್ನಿ ಈ ಒಂದು ವಿಡಿಯೋನ ಶುರು ಮಾಡೋಣ. So take down first question. You just observe carefully. In that question they are given nth term of an AP. The nth term of an AP arithmetic progression an is equal to 4n plus 5. Then its fifth term is, they are asking you to find the fifth term of this AP. So now you just substitute 5 in place of n, you will get its fifth term. So 4 of 5 plus 5, so then 4 5 is 20, 20 plus 5 is equal to 25. So then its fifth term is 25. So now you just take down first answer, that is 25. So here option C is correct answer. So now take down second question. So in that question is also belongs to arithmetic progression, quadratic equation. That question is, when the quadratic equation 5x square is equal to 2 of 2x plus 3, you just take down that condition. 5x square is equal to 2 of 2x plus 3 is expressed in the standard form, and then the constant term obtained is. So what is the constant term after convert this particular condition into quadratic form? So then you just identify the constant term, right? We know that according to quadratic equation, its general form is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. According to this condition, you have to convert this condition into its general form. 5x square is equal to 2 2s 4x and 2 3s plus 6. Then transpose 4x and 6 to LHS, we get 5x square minus 4x minus 6 is equal to 0. Now its constant value, that is minus 6. Here option D is correct. Minus 6 is the correct answer. So now take down third question. So here third question is belongs to linear equation in two variables. You just observe that question. Linear equation in two variables. In that question, they are given here x minus 2y is equal to 0, and another equation is 3x plus 4y minus 20 is equal to 0 or. So in the following options they are given type of equations: intersecting lines, coincident lines, parallel lines and perpendicular lines. We already know about these kind of different kinds of lines by observing their coefficients. First of all, you just write down their coefficients here. 1 by 3 is equal to minus 2 by 4. So now you just observe in these two conditions, 2 1s are, 2 2s are. So now we know that 1 by 3 is not equal to minus 1 by 2. That's why if a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, these two lines are considered as intersecting lines. So option A is correct, intersecting lines. So let's move to the next question, that is fourth question. In this question, we already know the solution of this question. The given figure, you just observe here the question. The pair of linear equations shown as the graph are. So in this graph they are given two lines. That means these two lines which indicates the linear equations in pair of linear equations in two variables. We have to identify the linear equations present in this particular graph. So in this question, here the answer is that answer is very simple. Option C is correct. 2x minus y is equal to 2 and 4x minus y is equal to 4, because you just observe the solutions of both the equations first of all, you just consider first equation like 2 comma 2, 1 comma 0 and 0 comma minus 2. You just solve these two conditions, you will get x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 0, because these two lines are intersect at point Q. So that is the solution of these two equations. So that's why these two are intersecting lines. It has only one solution. That solution should be 1 comma 0. You just solve each and every equations. If x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 0, then those two pair of linear equations in two variables are the required answer for this question. That's why option C is correct for fourth question. So now let's move to the next question, that is fifth question. You just observe here, fifth question. In that question, they are given here, if the pair of linear equation in two variables a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0 are parallel lines, then the correct relation of their coefficient is. We have to choose a proper coefficient ratio for parallel lines, right? We know that if a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2, this particular ratio belongs to intersecting lines. If a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 and equal to c1 by c2, these ratios are considered as coincident lines. And if a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 but not equal to c1 by c2, so this is called parallel lines. So therefore here the answer is option A is correct. Option A is correct, because these ratios are a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 but not equal to c1 by c2. We already know each and every conditions for intersecting, parallel and coincident. That's why, so answer for fifth one is option A is correct. Then let's move to the sixth question. In that question, if the pair of lines 2x plus 3y plus 7 is equal to 0 and ax plus by plus 14 is equal to 0 are coincident lines, then the values of a and b respectively equal to. So now here we should find out the values of a and b by using coefficient ratio, because they are given the type of lines. So these two lines are coincident lines. That's why the coefficient ratios should be equal to a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 and equal to c1 by c2. So write down the values present in this condition. a1 is 2 and a2 is a, and b1 is 3 and b2 is b itself. So now 7 divided by 14, right? So now you carefully observe here, 7 ones are 7 twos are, right? So 1 by 2 is the ratio, because each and every ratios are equal, because these two lines are coincident lines. So that's why here the answer is, so that is a very simple answer. Here 7 ones are 7 twos are, now 7 twos are 14. Similarly 3 twos are 6, so b is equal to 6, and 2 twos are 4. So that's why these are the multiples of if you multiply 2 with its denominators, you will get its proper answer. So that's why the required answer is a is equal to 4 and b is equal to 6. So option C is correct for sixth question. Option C is correct, 4 and 6. Option C is right answer. So let's move to the next question, that is seventh question. Seventh question. So which of the following are is the arithmetic progression? We have to find out which of the given terms are belongs to arithmetic progression. So in this question, option B is correct, because you can find out the common difference of each and every list of numbers. So in those list of numbers, option B having same common difference, that common difference is 4. So that's why option B is correct, because a2 minus a1 is equal to a3 minus a2. 5 minus 1 is equal to 9 minus 5. So the common difference is equal to 4. So that's why here the answer for seventh question is option B is correct answer. So now take down next question, eighth question. -3, -1, 1, 3 of the arithmetic progression minus 3, minus 1, 1, 3 dash is. That means we have to find out its 11th term because they are given in both Kannada and as well as English medium. That's why the 11th term of the arithmetic progression minus 3, minus 1, 1, 3 and so on is. We have to find out its 11th term by using first and common difference. A is minus 3 and its common difference is minus 1 minus of minus 3. So which is equal to plus 2. Minus into minus plus. That's why minus 1 plus 3 is equal to plus 2 is the answer. So now A11 is equal to A plus 10D. So A is minus 3 plus 10 of 2. So now minus 3 plus 20. So minus 3 plus 20 is equal to plus 17 is the answer. Plus 17 is the answer. So now here option D is correct for 8th question. 17 is the answer. So let's move to the 9th question. Take down 9th question here. The sum of the first 10 terms of an arithmetic progression is 155. So that means S10 is equal to 155. You just take down S10 here. And the sum of first 9 terms, that means S9 in the same AP is 126. You just take down that value also. Then the 10th term is, we know the condition AN is equal to SN minus 1, right? So by using this condition, A10 is equal to S10 minus S10 minus 1, that means S9. We already know the values of S10 and S9. 155 minus 126. So now the 10th term of this condition is 29. So here 29 present in option C. You just observe here. Option C is 29. So that's why option C is correct. 9th question, option C is correct answer. So let's move to the 10th question. 10th question, 2x square plus ax is equal to, 2x square plus ax plus 6, right? 2x square plus ax plus 6 is equal to 0. The given quadratic equation, in the if one root of the equation is 2, then the value of a. They are given one root here, that is x is equal to 2. By using this root, we have to find out the value of a. We know that, let us consider this quadratic equation as p of x, 2x square plus ax plus 6, right? So if you substitute any value in place of root, if the given value is root of a quadratic equation, then the entire, if you substitute that root into the given variable place, then entire quadratic equation will become 0. So that's why p of 2 is equal to 0. So now substitute 2 to each and every variable. We get 2 of 2 square plus a of 2 plus 6. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 2a plus 6. So then 8 plus 6 is equal to 14, 14 plus 2a is equal to 0, 0 and here also 0. Transpose 14 to RHS, we get 2a is equal to minus 14. So then 2 1s are, 2 7s are, so a is equal to minus 7 is the answer. So here option C is correct for 10th question, minus 7, you just take down option here, option C is correct. So let's move to the 11th question. You just take down 11th question. So 11th question, the discriminant of the quadratic equation px square plus qx plus r is equal to 0. In place of a, b, c, they are given p, q and r. Here a is equal to p, b is equal to q and c is equal to r. We know that discriminant delta is equal to b square minus 4ac. In place of b, we have q, that's why q square minus 4 into, in place of a, we have p, and in place of c, we have r. So that's why the final condition is q square minus 4pr is the answer. So now option 11th question, right? So option A is correct. Q square minus 4pr is the right answer. Option A is correct answer for 11th question. So now take down 12th question. So here 12th question, you just observe here 4x, if 4x and 10 are the terms of an arithmetic progression, then the value of x. You just find out the mean of 4 and 10, then x is the arithmetic mean of two succeeding and preceding numbers, right? So that's why 4 plus 10 by 2 is the value of x. So that's why that is the mean value. 4 plus 10 is equal to 14. 14 by 2 is equal to 7. So that's why the answer is 7. So option D is correct answer. So 12th question, option D is right answer. So let's move to the 13th question. So a 13th question, ax square plus bx plus c, ax square plus bx square plus ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. In this quadratic equation, the given quadratic formula is, so that is very easy question, because x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a is the answer. So that's why here the answer is option A is correct answer. So let's move to the next question, that is 14th question. In that question, they are given here the roots of the equation x minus 3 and x plus 2, because they are given the factors of the given quadratic equation. So in that factor, you just extract those factors, then you will get the roots or solution of the quadratic equation. Let us consider x minus 3 is equal to 0 or x plus 2 is equal to 0. Now x is equal to 3 and x is equal to minus 2 are the two roots of the given quadratic equation. So that's why 3 and minus 2 are the answer. So option B is correct, 3 and minus 2. So next question, that is 15th question. 15th question, you just observe that question. The sum of two consecutive integers is 27, then the integers are. So consecutive integers means those two integers are continuous integers. Suppose you consider third integer, then it should be fourth integer, right? So similarly, you just observe each and every options. 7 plus 20 whose sum is 27, but 7 and 20 are not consecutive numbers, and 1 and 26 whose sum is also equal to 27, but 1 and 26 are not considered as consecutive numbers. But you just observe option B, 13 plus 14 whose sum is equal to 27, and 13 and 14 are the consecutive numbers, are consecutive integers. So that's why option B is right answer for 15th question. So option B is correct answer. Option B. So now take down 16th question. In that question, they are given on diagram here, right angle triangle. You just observe that figure carefully. In a right angle triangle, they are given its theta present in vertex C, right? ABC is a right angle triangle, angle B is right angle, and 2, and its adjacent side is root 3. So if theta is in vertex C, so then this call it as opposite, and this one is call it as adjacent, and 2 is call it as hypotenuse, because side opposite to right angle is always considered as hypotenuse of the right angle triangle. So now they are asking you to find the value of sin theta. So we already know the ratio of sin theta. Sin theta means opposite by hypotenuse. Here opposite is 1 and its hypotenuse is 2. So now the answer is option A is correct. For 16th question, 1 by 2 is the right answer. So now you just take down next question, that is 17th one. 17th question. In that question, sin 30 degree plus cos 60 degree minus tan 45 degree. The value of sin 30 degree plus cos 60 degree minus tan 45 degrees. So sin 30 degree is 1 by 2. You just observe in standard table, and cos 60 degree is also equal to 1 by 2 minus tan 45 degree is always equal to 1. Then the sum of half plus half is always equal to 1. 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So now the answer is 0. Option D is correct for 17th question. Option D is correct. That is 18th question. You just observe here. 3 plus secant square theta is equal to. You just observe the following options. We have three main identities. One is tan square theta plus 1 is equal to secant square theta, right? According to this condition, secant square theta is equal to minus 3. You just substitute here tan square theta plus 1 is equal to minus 3. Then transpose minus 3 to LHS. We get tan square theta plus 1 plus 3. So now it will become tan square theta plus 4. So that's why 4 plus tan square theta is the right answer. So option A is correct for 18th question. Tan square theta plus 4 or 4 plus tan square theta. So let's move to the next question, that is 19th question. You just observe that question. The angle of elevation of the top of the tower from a point on the ground which is 30 meter away from the foot of the tower. You just observe here, this is considered as tower, and here these two distance between the foot of the tower to the point on the ground is 30 meter, and then from the foot of the tower is 30 degree. Here angle of elevation is 30 degree. Then the height of the tower is, we have to find out its height. So that's why by using tan ratio, tan 30 degree is equal to height divided by 30, right? Distance between these two is 30 and its height is considered as h. H is the height of the given tower. By using this condition, you just observe the tan 30 degree value. So tan 30 degree is equal to 1 by root 3, which is equal to h by 30. So then cross multiply each other, we get h is equal to 30 by root 3. So rationalize the denominator, we get 10 root 3 meter is the answer. So 10 root 3 is in option C. That's why answer for 19th question is option C is correct answer. So take down 20th question. So here 20th question. That question is, so the value of sin theta into cosecant theta is, sin theta into cosecant theta is, we know that reciprocal ratio of sin theta is cosecant theta. That's why cosecant theta can be written as 1 by sin. Sin get cancelled out. Here the answer is 1. So that's why option B is correct, because 1 is the answer. So for 20th question, option B is correct. So now take down 21st question. That is also very easy question. 21st question. The formula to find the midpoint of the line segment joining the points A x1 y1 and B x2 y2 is. So this is regarding to midpoint formula. Option A is correct. x2 plus x1 divided by 2 comma y2 plus y1 divided by 2 is right answer. So here option A is correct for 21st question. So let's move to the 22nd question. So this is also very simple question. This particular question belongs to coordinate geometry. So in this question, they are asking you to the distance between the points x1 y1 and x2 y2. So this is particularly belongs to distance formula. So option A is correct. x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square, or it can also be written as root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Both are same. So that's why. So here the answer is option A is correct answer. So 23rd question. The value among the observation of most repeated scores of the data is. So maximum times repeated data is considered as mode. That's why option B is correct for 23rd question. So then 24th question. The mean of the following scores is. We have to find out the mean. They are given ungrouped, scores here, given scores here without frequencies or without class intervals. They are given only scores. By observing these scores, they are given 4 scores. You just add both each and every scores, 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7, divide by 4. We get 7 plus 3 10, 10 plus 5 15, 15 plus 1 16, 16 by 4, which is equal to 4 is the mean of the given data. That's why option D is correct for 24th question. So now take down 25th question. 25th question. The relation among the mean, mode and median is. So this is maximum times repeated question in your preparatory examination also. 25th question. Here the answer is 3 median is equal to 2 mean plus mode is the correct answer. That's why option A is correct. So take down next question, 26th question. Here the question is 26th question. A cylinder made of wax is melted and recast completely into a sphere. Then the volume of sphere is, if you consider any cylindrical solid and it is melted and recast into any other shape, so both the volumes of both the solids remain same. So that's why here the answer is, then the volume of sphere is equal to the volume of cylinder. So the answer for 26th question, you just observe here, 26th question, answer is D is right answer, equal to the volume of the cylinder. So let's move to the next question, that is 27th question. That question is, the formula to find the midpoint of the class interval is, that is also very important question, upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2 or lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. Both are correct. So here option C is correct for 27th question. So option C is right answer, upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. So 27th question, option C is right answer. So now take down 28th question. So in that question, they are given here, in triangle ABC, XY is parallel to BC, then according to basic proportionality theorem, AX by BX divided by AY by CY is right answer. So that's why option, which one? So option B is correct for 28th question. According to basic proportionality theorem, AX by BX is equal to AY by CY is the right answer. Then 29th question. In the given diagram, or observe the given two triangles and then identify the length of DF, right? We have to find out the length DF here. You just observe AB. AB is 3.8. These two are similar triangles because 3.8 2s are 7.6 and similarly 6 2s are 12. So now you should multiply 2 by using 3 root 2. So here 3 root 2 into 2, which is equal to 6 root 2 centimeter. So that's why option A is correct answer for 29th question. Option A, 6 root 2 is the right answer. So now next question, 30th question. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Area of triangle ABC is 64 centimeter square. So area of triangle ABC is divided by area of triangle PQR, which is equal to, we already know the statement for areas of similar triangle. The ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is always equal to the ratio of their square of their corresponding sides. So that's why AB by PQ whole square. We know that area of triangle ABC is 64 and area of triangle PQR is 100, which is equal to transpose square to LHS. We get square root of 64 divided by 100. We know that AB is given, that is 8 centimeter divided by PQ. We have to find out that value PQ. So now 64 and 100 both are perfect squares. 8 8s are and 10 10s are. This is equal to 8 by PQ. So now 8 8 get cancelled out. So then the value of PQ is 10 centimeter. Option C is correct answer for 30th question. 10 centimeter is the answer. So option C is right answer. Option C. So then 31st question. You just take down 31st question. This is also very easy question. In triangle ABC, angle B is 90 degree. BD is perpendicular to AC. If AB is equal to 6 centimeter, BC is equal to 8 centimeter, then the length of CD is. So this particular problem belongs to theorem 2.7. That particular theorem belongs to. By using this particular theorem, we can we already find out the proof of Pythagoras theorem, right? So according to this theorem, in this problem, you just observe here, this particular condition is here triangle ABC is also right angle triangle, is perpendicular, similar to the right angle triangle ADB, because these two are similar triangles. According to that theorem, if in right angle triangle a perpendicular is drawn from the right angled vertex to the hypotenuse, then each and every triangles are similar to each other. That is the statement for that particular theorem, 2.7 theorem. So according to this theorem, you can write down the ratio here, AB by AD, which is equal to AC by AB. So now AB into AB is equal to AB square, which is equal to AC into AD. So now find out the value AD here. AB is equal to 6, that's why 6 square, which is equal to AC is 10 into AD. So now transpose 10 to LHS, we get 36 divided by 10 is equal to AD. So now AD is equal to 3.6 centimeter. Now subtract 3.6 from 10, we get DC value. So that's why DC is equal to 10 minus 3.6. So now the difference of 10 and 3.6, which is equal to 6.4 centimeter is the answer. So now 6.4 present in option B. That's why option B is right answer for 31st question. So next 32nd question. 32nd question. In that question, they are given here. In the given figure, AT is the tangent drawn at a point A to the circle with center O, such that OT is equal to 4 centimeter. They are given its hypotenuse because angle A is 90 degree. Radius and tangent at the point of contact are always perpendicular to each other. If OTA is equal to 30 degree, they are given one acute angle and its hypotenuse. They are asking you to find the adjacent. That means that is the length of the tangent also, right? By using a ratio like that particular ratio should include hypotenuse as well as adjacent, right? So by using cos ratio, cos 30 degree is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. That's why AT by OT, right? So now what is the value of cos 30? Cos 30 degree is equal to root 3 by 2, which is equal to AT. We have to find out that value divided by OT is 4 centimeter. 2 ones are 2 2s are transpose 2 to LHS, we get 2 root 3 centimeter is equal to 80. So now option C is right answer. 2 root 3 is the answer. Option C is correct answer. So let's move to the 33rd question. 33rd question. In that question here, this is also very important question. In the given figure, PBC bar means these 3 points are collinear points. You just observe here, 3 or more points lying on the same line are called collinear points. And CD are the tangents to the circle with center O if PC is equal to 8 centimeter. They are given total length of PC, whose length is 28 centimeter, and AP is equal to 5 centimeter. We know that AP is equal to PB because these two tangents drawn from an external point P. So that's why you just take down AP is equal to PB, both are equal to 5 centimeter, and we know that PC is equal to 8 centimeter. By using these two values, we can easily find out the value of BC, right? PC minus PB, which is equal to BC. Now PC is 8 centimeter and BC is 5 centimeter, which is equal to BC. So we know that BC is also equal to DC because BC and DC are the tangents drawn from an external point C. So that's why 8 minus 5 is 3 centimeter. So now 3 centimeter is the correct answer. Option B is right answer. Then 34th question. So 34th question. Here the question is, that is also very simple question. The wrong statement in the following is, we have to choose a proper wrong statement here. A tangent to a circle touches the circle exactly at one point. That is 100% true statement. When a straight line is drawn to a circle, it always passes through a point on the circle. So this is little bit confused statement by comparing another statements. You just read the third statement properly. The point common to the circle and its tangent is called the point of contact. This is also true statement. The tangent drawn at any point to a circle is perpendicular to the radius drawn at the point of contact. So this is also 100% true statement, but option B is wrong one. So that's why here option B is right answer. So let's move to the next question, that is 35th question. Here the question is, which is the next step of the construction while constructing a pair of tangents to a circle from the external point T given in the figure. So this is very simple, you just join these two arcs. So that's why option A is correct answer. 35th question, option A is right answer. So let's move to the next question, 36th question. So now 36th question. In that question they are given the surface area of this sphere is 616, that means 4 pi r square, which is equal to 616. We have to find out the radius of the same sphere. Now 4 into 22 by 7 r square, which is equal to 616. Then transpose each and every numerical values to RHS, we get r square is equal to 616 into 7 divided by 88. So 88 7s are 616. So that's why r is equal to 7 centimeter is the answer. So now option D is correct answer for 36th question. So option D is 7 centimeter is the right answer. So now take down next question, that is 27th question. In that question, the volume of the cone as shown in the figure is, write down its formula. So the volume of cone is, we already know the formula, 1 by 3 pi r square. H is the formula which is used to find the volume of cone. So that's why option C is correct answer for 37th question. Option C is right answer. So take down next question, that is 38th question. In that question they are given here the formula to find the total surface area of the right circular based cylindrical vessel of base radius r centimeter and height h centimeter opened at one end. So they are given a hollow cylinder, right? It includes its base, but top portion of the cylindrical vessel is open. That's why the total surface area of that vessel is curved surface area of cylinder plus area of its base. That's why pi r square plus 2 pi rh is the correct formula. So that's why option A is right answer. So now 39th question. In this question, to find the curved surface area of a frustum of a cone as shown in the figure, the formula used is. So here the formula for curved surface area of frustum is pi L of R1 plus R2, or pi of R1 plus R2 into L. They are given like pi L into R1 plus R2. That is also correct. So option C is right answer for 39th question. Next last question, that is 40th question. The total surface area of the solid hemisphere, that means 4 pi r square. Total surface area of solid hemisphere is 462 centimeter square. If the curved surface area is 308 centimeter square, then the area of its base of the hemisphere is, we know that base area is equal to TSA minus CSA. So that's why 462 minus 308, which is equal to 154 centimeter square. So option C is correct answer for 40th question, that is 154 centimeter square. I hope my video is helpful to you. So if you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.